So we've looked at the process of evolution, how we parted company from gorillas and chimpanzees and became modern Homo sapiens. But what about the why? Why is it that humankind evolved in Africa and not elsewhere in the world? Well, it's the climate of Africa thousands of years ago which gives us the answer to that key question. These giraffes are enjoying the lush vegetation of the wide open savanna here in the Serengeti in Tanzania. Giraffes are, of course, amongst the most distinctive and easily recognised members of the animal kingdom. And this kind of environment was and still is ideal for supporting animal life. It was this climate and landscape, like the open grassland in the Serengeti, which gave rise to the perfect conditions for the evolution of the great apes, gorillas, chimpanzees, and the ape men who developed into humans. While parts of Africa, like the Serengeti, are obviously lush and rich in wildlife, others are arid. But that doesn't mean they were always like that. Over the course of the millennia, the climate changes. For instance, the Sahara Desert dried out through time. Until about 10 to 12,000 years ago, it supported animal and plant life. One of the most striking demonstrations of this is to be found in the Sahara in the north of Sudan. It's hard to imagine that the Sahara Desert in northern Sudan wasn't always like this. I'm at the site of the petrified forest just outside the town of Al-Kuru, where there's clear evidence that there was a lush tropical climate here. There were giant trees. You can see the fossilized tree trunks around me. There was water running through here, and at some stage many millions of years ago, these trees fell into the water. There was silica in the water, and this, combined with the high temperature, led to a chemical process whereby the tissues of the tree trunks were replaced by the silica, preserving them for posterity by fossilizing them.